Good day, my friends. Let's learn something new today.
Righto guys, I know unfortunately I've opened up the new position already and I've placed forward orders in there. Our previous position, let's just go here to the account history, and if we go right down to the bottom we can see they are sitting over here. There they are sitting over here, right? It was that one, to see it was that one open buy, and we had the two open buys over here, right? And of course the two orders lying there waiting for us. The one trade was 27 in the green, and the other one was $5 in the red. So that leaves us with about what is $22 in the green that we were over here. Guys, that is what I said. The minute I see green, if we've got open positions, more than one position open, I close out everything. And once I've closed out everything, I enter new. I start a new run, I enter new trades, right, and I place my new forward orders. Unfortunately, this happened so fast, I did not have enough time to, I didn't have enough time to set up my computer to make a recording. This recording I had to make afterwards. But yes, the end of that run has come, and we're starting a new run now once again. And as you can see, right, it's already minus $2 or something like that. But it's looking good. It looks like there's a lot of power to go up again. Let's hope it'll go and hit our target, that we can start a new run again on with a good profit. What I was going to say, if I look at the account balance over here, guys, previously when I tried this on the British pound dollar, I was also aiming for 100 pips, but I think 100 pips on the pound was just too much, because the account went right down to went down to about $400 or something like that. I lost about $600 on this account. And then I moved to the yen, because the yen is more volatile, so it's a lot more easier to reach 100 pips target on the yen than what it is on the pound. And for that reason, and because I also took it very brought my lots down quite a lot, considerably, and I think that is what's brought this account back up to $1,000 again. Now you'll see, because it's almost on $1,000, I have also increased the lots a little bit more, right? So let's see how it goes.